Hello, my favorite squad. Do you know lists are mutable? Lists are mutable. What do you mean by this mutable word? The definition for this mutable word is nothing but can be changeable. So lists can be changeable. Lists can be modified. So what do you mean by that? For example, here I have an element called ice cream. So look at these things: noodles, chicken, juices, momos. I love them very much, but I think I have got an inspiration from Virat Kohli, so I'm just following some strict diet. So I would like to avoid this particular sugary item, that is ice cream. So I want to avoid this particular item. So instead of ice cream, what I can do is I can just include some veg salad. So how to do that? Instead of ice cream, I want to include veg salad. So for that, I can just simply say menu. I'm just using square brackets. Here, I want to pass the index of that element. Here, ice cream is my first element. So I would say 0 because indexing always starts with 0. Now here, this time, I have to pass what is the new item that you want to include in place of ice cream. That is veg salad. Now, if you try to print this variable, that is menu, see what happens. I'm just hitting run. This time, in the output, we have got, in place of ice cream, I have got veg salad, noodles, chicken, juices, and momos. What is the difference here? Instead of ice cream, I have got this veg salad because I have changed ice cream with veg salad using the index position, that is 0. With the help of index, we can easily change the items. So this comes under the concept of mutable. So when we say lists are mutable, they can be changed. So the items can also be changed. So this is nothing but the concept of mutable.